Includes the fog light, the side marker, the turn signal, the rear bottom reflector, the 2 reflectors on the side of the taillight. And now the taillight comes in 3 pieces, which is the outer piece, the inner piece, and this is the middle piece. And the reason why it's in 3 pieces is to make it easier for installation. You have the brake light, and then you have the 2 middle reflectors. Now the tools you're gonna need is a squeegee, a microfiber towel, a blade, tack solution, soapy water, and the heat gun. So what you want to do is you want to pre-clean the area you're going to be working on. I'm going to clean it with alcohol, 7% isopropyl with water.